Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make a custom Beyonce Renaissance tour gift box. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So I decided my niece is turning 12. She's celebrating her 12th birthday this year. She's never been to a concert, and Beyonce is her favorite artist. So I thought it would be a good idea and very sentimental, something she will always remember, is on her 12th birthday. Her first concert is going to be her favorite artist, which is Beyonce. So I got the idea to make this custom Beyonce ticket that I printed out via Canva. And if you guys want, I can make a tutorial on how I did it. But I also just created a PDF version, and it's in my description box where you guys can click and download it for free. And you can print it out and make your own Beyonce ticket. I've already have like preset seating numbers on the ticket. If you would like it to be a little bit more customizable, just feel free to email me. It's also in the description box, and I can do a quick update and send you a new PDF file that has your specific seat number. So I made this through Canva, and I printed it through Canva. I wanted to do like a smaller version, but when I did it, it just didn't print right. So so my size isn't the PDF version that you guys will have. You will have like a regular ticket size. I made mine into a rack card size so I can print it through Canva. And if you guys want a rack size version too to print through Canva, I can also put that in the description box, or just shoot me an email and I can do that for you. All right, so here's the front. Oops, sorry. So here's the front. As you can see, oh, I'm losing it. I'm using her picture from the Renaissance tour, and then I'll show you on the back. It's that metallic color and the terms and conditions here. And then I can just read it to you too. It says, "You must come ready to slay. You must be a black Bill Gates in the making. You must be that girl. You must be comfortable in your skin. You must feel like falling in love. Your soul must not break. You must be born to be free." So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the box that I created, and all of the stuff that I used. It will also be in the description box.